I started. I got this connect from outside of the school. This buddy of mine who said to me, "Hey, bro, I got these like illegal fireworks, and you got the inside of the school."
Keyword illegal.
In Venezuela, things are illegalish, right? And I'm like, bro, you have the what? He's like, yeah, I'll give them to you for this much, and you can sell them for this much. And I was like, bro, I got the whole inside, baby. I got the whole inside of the whole school, baby. I got you.